Yeah. Okay, what's your... Okay, she already started. What's your theme?
Hello, bitch.
What's your...
Daisies and bees and flowers.
Okay, cool.
I'm going for a little light blue with some pop of green kind of vibe. We got this really cool flash ear desk. I don't know if it's gonna work, but
Yeah, we'll try it.
I don't have a theme. I'm just going for a little color scheme. Let me get the camera.
Okay. Okay. So I really don't know what I'm doing. I just... Yeah. I have these flowers. They actually came with...
Oh, they look really cute. They look good on camera.
And then we have this mirror, which we're gonna put inside. And then, I don't know... Oh, can you see my... it's like under your knee.
Oh, this? Or the whole bag? Oh. What?
The paint. Under your knee.
Oh.
Okay. Oh. Now, where's my purple? Do you see it there?
Oh, we're here.
And I got these three. I don't know which one I'm gonna do, but green, purple, and sage. Yeah. And that's it. I'll just... Yeah.
Yeah.
And then, what was I gonna show? I was gonna show something. Never mind, guys.
Oh, okay. Everyone, so I'm here with Natalie and we made it to the beach. What beach are we at?
What's it called? Rio
de Mar?
Well,
I don't know, it's literally one of them.
That says is like Aptos, but
Yeah.
on Apple, but Rio de Mar.
Okay, and now we're getting the stuff out. Very long drive.
Jesse doesn't want to swim. I felt like I was playing Mario Kart driving here. I think my ass has marks.
Oh my god, yeah.
Oh my god, it does. That's so
Ouch.
embarrassing. Yes, it's on. Oh, don't worry,
Spare
Jesse.
tire.
We have a spare tire.
Good one. Okay. Jesse really has to pee. Wait for me, dude!
John, come back.
Like this.
Have you watched the new Outer Banks?
Hell no.
Have you even watched the first season?
I watched no.
Oh.
I watched like the first episode or so. Oh, it's your competition. Why?
I can still recall our last summer. I still see it all. Walks along the Seine, laughing in the rain. Our last summer, memories that remain. I can still recall our last summer. I still see it all. Tourist jam round the Notre Dame. Our last summer, walking hand in hand. Paris restaurants. Our last summer, morning croissants.
Hey everyone, what's up? I'm here with Jessie. What time is it, woman? Oh, we're gonna go pick up. She's gonna go pick up curling iron.
They're gonna go put gas
Yeah.
in the car.
Yeah. Oh, and Yessie's hearing ghosts.
There's ghosts in this house. What else is not haunted?
Yeah.
It is. Okay.
Okay, time to go.
Okay, bye, Natalie. Wee! Good time. Oh my god, imagine I dropped the phone. We're gonna get gas. Look. Look how much gas we have.
It doesn't even show.
You hear that? You know it's early when the birds are chirping. Surround. Green light means go. Oh, okay. In the next clip, you'll see my face. Okay, this is my face. This is her face. Okay, the funny blooper.
Crazy.
Crazy. Oh, this got some kick into it. I almost knocked out on this seat. Oh my goodness. Look at the moon. Oh, no pit stop. We're racing this car. It looks like they're winning though.
I'm letting them win.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Uh-oh, now they're losing.
Here we go.
Loser. He's such a loser. Spartan way, we're gonna turn right, not left.
Okay.
If you go to the left, that's Spartan territory. You Manteca people stay out. 35, are you going 35? She is not going 35. No. What? Guess you have to go the Chevron check run.
You can't go Chevron.
Why not?
Because,
They suck?
yeah. Oh, whoa. Okay, we can go this way.
Oh, whoa. Hey, just go right there and
No,
do it. I would have. You only live once, YOLO. Walgreens supposedly 24/7. It is not. I can confirm this is false.
Yui.
CVS is competition. Oh my god. Whoa. Well, I feel like I was in the go-kart right now. Whew. I almost lost my head at the window.
Ignore the face, literally, and ignore the tan. Okay, I'm in my bathroom downstairs, so that's why it's kind of awkward, but so this is what I'm wearing. I just wanted to show you guys my fit. Not having a good day at all today, at least like now. Also, my cheeks are not like I did not put blush or anything. This is just my natural rosy cheeks, and it's even worse now because I got sunburnt yesterday. Look at my fucking nose. It's not even because I was crying, because like it's been like this for the whole. Oh, but I look kind of cute though. That's how I look like if I would wear like actual blush, because it's like really pink. But this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this top, which is from Natalie. I have no idea where it's from. I don't know if it's from Garage. It probably is, because that's literally where she shops. Yeah, I'm guessing that's Garage. And then these shorts, which were, okay, I don't have a, these are from Brandy Melville, but these were actually carpenter pants, but I just cut them up to carpenter shorts, so. And then for senior sunrise, I was just wearing it with this pink jacket because it was kind of freezing, like. Yeah, and then I'm wearing this necklace from Forever 21, and then my pendant that I usually wear, and then my bracelet. Okay guys, so now I'm on my way to school. Also, I look horrible. Didn't even get to do like my hair how I wanted to, but so what the fuck? My other nose ring was on the couch, but I'm already wearing one. Okay. Anyways, I have my butterfly clip and we're off. Also, right after school, I have to go to work. So, I don't know how that's gonna work out. So, I'm gonna see how it feels today. And also, I'm running on 2 hours of sleep, probably even less, because I slept over at Natalie's. Can't forget my water, please. So my cheeks are really red. Anyway, so I have to go to the gas station because fuel economy low. So yeah. Everyone,
pissed. I wanted that
pissed. Say hi. Mask on. Thank you.
Hey, get the same.
Oh my god. What the?
Alright, that's good.
Bro, she could rep it.
Go more, Natalie.
She could rep it, bro.
Okay. She's a loser. I don't know why she doesn't want to go. Okay. Nap time.
Look at this. Get a load of this, dude.
Look, I have something.
What the fuck is this so hot?
Oh, what the fuck is this so